Okay, I think we are live now. All right, so maybe I'll just do this video for some minutes and let's see. How can I share this? Share, okay. Yeah, okay. So let's have more people join this live and we are going to start properly. Let's have more people join the live. All right, so I think, okay, let me share this live. Let me share it so that we can get into the business of today. I won't take much of our time. I would make everything quick. And because this is my first video, so I'm struggling to set everything up. This is my first live video. Okay, so I'm going to explain everything I'll be doing. You know, I told you that I've been trading binary option for a while, and let me show you something real quick. So I'm going to go to trading profile. I'm going to go to trading profile. Okay. So this is basically all the trades I've taken. Taking 547 trades, and my win rate so far so good has been, fairly moderate. 53%, which is not bad. Which is not it's not bad because quite it is quite hard to make money trading binary option. And so far so good. I've made $582 on this account. Right. I started with 2,200 and I'm currently sitting at 2,700. By the way, I've withdrawn some money from this account just to test it out. I wanted to know whether this was working or not, right? So the funny thing, or it's not really a funny thing, but the cool thing about trading with this particular broker was the fact that I did not need to deposit any crypto. I just funded my Nigeria bank account with Naira, and they converted the exchange rates, and they gave me dollars on the platform. So I'm not exposed to all these sharp practices we see on an exchange like Bybit. For example, if you want to buy crypto on Bybit, you know, how, 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 you know, how You know how they shaft you. Come in. Hmm? All right, so sorry, there was a technical glitch there. So as I was saying, I think the energy in this video is still a bit. The energy is low, and that's because, like I said, this is my first time. This is my first time, so it's only normal that I'm exposed to something like this. Anyway, so the way binary option trading works is quite simple. You have just two options. You have the call option or the put option. You can see this green button, that is the call option or the buy option. And you see this red button, that is the put option or the sell option, right? Now, binary option is quite different from forex trading because forex trading is not time restricted. You could enter into a trade if you are trading forex and allow that trade to run for days, for weeks, even for months, right? But for option trading, the trade has to close within a particular time frame, right? So it could be within 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 hour. It could even run for just 3 seconds. There are some brokers that allow trades run for just 3 seconds, and you would know whether you are making money or you are losing money, right? That is on one part. For you to enter into a call option, that means you are predicting that price is going to close above your strike price. What exactly is a strike price? So, for example, by the way, I will be doing a beginner training course twice every week, once or twice every week. While I will be trading live, I'll be trading live every day, or let's just say 5 days in a week. 5 days in a week, I should be able to trade live. So I was explaining call option. So I would attempt, okay, maybe to take a call signal, right? So I enter into this trade. This trade is going to last for 2 minutes, 39 seconds. Maybe I should not have done this. Maybe I should have done it for a shorter time frame. Maybe a 1 minute. Yes. So that the point is clearer. It's fine. I can, let's go to another chart. Why that one is running. Okay. So I'll just keep changing the chart till I see something interesting. Okay. Remember, I want to go for a call option. I just want to explain the concept of a call option. So let's do this one. Let's enter this trade for 1 minute. Now you can see this line, right? This one that looks like a circle here. Call option means at the end of 1 minute, by the way, the time has started reading, it has started counting down. We have 42 seconds left now, meaning after 1 minute expiration, if price closes above this circle, then I've won the trade, right? And if price closes below it, like it's currently happening now, that means I've lost the trade. That's basically how call and put option work. But the explanation I'm giving here is for a call option. You can see I lost the trade because price did not close above that entry point. For a put option, let's try this. Is also another random trade. It's fine. I've made some money today, so I can afford to lose some money. Let me just show you something. Okay, so today I've made $22. Remember, the goal is to make $20 daily. So I'm good. I'm good basically. For this account, I am good. The aim is to make just $20 and I've done $22. So let's continue with the explanation. So I'm going to come back here. I'm going to go to my real account. Let's, or maybe I should have done all this example on a demo account, but no. So if price closes in 1 second now, yes, I want it because it price closed above my entry point at the expiration of 1 minute for a put option. Call means buy, put means sell. That's basically binary option trading, right? Uh, Now, there's another thing called payout. Payout is simply the price. No, it's simply the amount which is represented in percentage the broker pays you. So, for example, in forex trading, you trade based on leverage, meaning you can. Yeah, as I was explaining, you trade based on leverage. The leverage could be 1 to 2, meaning for every dollar you risk, your reward is 2x of that amount. Meaning, if you risk $1, you are going to earn $2. If you risk $5, you are going to earn $10. That is 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, right? But unlike forex trading, binary option does not work like that. For binary option trading, there is a payout the broker gives you. And this payout differs across binary option brokers' platforms. There are some brokers like the one I'm using, Pocket Option, that offer as high as 92% payout, meaning for any amount you risk on a trade, the maximum amount you can earn on that trade is 92% of the risk amount. So, for example, if it was $10 you've set aside to take the trade, by the way, because I'm explaining, right, uh, I think I would just switch to the demo account so that I'm not losing my money, okay, because I'm explaining, right? So, as I was explaining, I lost my train of thoughts. What was I saying? Oh, okay, I think I was explaining payout, how payout works. So, for example, if your risk on the trade is, let's say, $10, right? What it simply means for the asset you are trading, for example, on this particular asset, the payout is 33%, meaning you are only going to earn $3, 30 cents on this trade if at all you win it. And if you lose it, you are going to lose your whole $10, meaning the risk to reward ratio on this trade is shitty. So what do? You go through the various assets, you choose the one that has high payouts. What you would typically see amongst brokers is that brokers don't offer 90% payout. If you go on binary option platforms like Deriv, which is a very common binary option platform, or IQ option, or Quotex, or which other one? Okay, this pocket option. There are so many, really. Most of them always offer a payout of 84%, or at the very most 90%, meaning if you are trying to take any trade, the maximum you earn on it is 84%, but pocket option is offering as high as 92%. And that is one of the reasons I decided to trade with pocket option, right? Because the payout is high. And binary option trading is not leveraged, meaning there is no matter how good the setup looks, right? You can't make 100% return on any trade. No matter how good the setup is. For example, if you had put down $10 as the risk on the trade, you can make even $10 back if you are right. The maximum pocket option will give you is 92% on that $10, for example, which is $9.20. That's how it works, right? So most people prefer forex trading to binary option trading because forex trades on volatility. If the market is very volatile, if there is action in the market, right, you are going to make money trading forex. Given that you are right, given that your analysis is right, you are going to make money. But for binary option trading, no matter the volatility in the market, no matter how fast price moves, at the end of the day, you are going to just earn 92% on your on your equity or the capital you are setting out on that trade. The reason, by the way, I'm also working on a strategy on forex trading, and I will be releasing that shortly. The reason why I've decided to start teaching people how to trade binary option is because you see, this binary option is it's a very risky product, and that is why in some countries they ban people from trading binary option. For example, in US, you can't trade binary option, right? Except you are using VPN or something, because it is very risky. People can make or lose money in 3 seconds. So the government of those countries are trying to prevent people from losing their money. So a lot of people go into binary option trading thinking that they can make money. You think you can make money trading binary option, but it does not really work that way. It does not really work that way because statistics have shown that people that venture into this kind of trading, 90% lose their money. 90% lose their money, right? 90 lose their money. It's only 10%, that win. And that doesn't go without saying. It's the same thing for forex trading. So it's not only peculiar to binary option trading. It also applies to forex trading. 90% of the people that trade forex lose their money. 90% of the people that trade crypto lose their money. 90% of the people that trade stocks lose their money. And I will tell you why people lose their money in trading. Okay. First, the knowledge. There's a wide knowledge gap. People see trading as a get rich quick scheme. And it's only a matter of time. Maybe you would even survive 90 days, which is 3 months, for you to know that trading, if not done correctly, is a get poor quick scheme. You get poor, you get poorer. You will cry. I'm not even kidding right now. You will cry. Not only that, trading is a zero-sum game. Zero-sum game in the sense that your win is another person's loss, right? Your win is another person's loss. Another person's loss is your own win, meaning something has to give, right? And you are competing against the Wall Street fat cats. And that's why I named this channel Wall Street Finance, because I want to bridge the gap between the Wall Street and the main streets, because I am better than the average, right? I can trade decently and make money. So I'm part of the 10%, really. So the balance might not be much. You might not be seeing maybe $200,000, $100,000, right? But I always look at wins in percentage terms. So the question will be, how much have you delivered on this account? Is it 10%? Is it 4,000%? It's possible. So even if you are deliver 4,000%, can you do it consistently? So for people that trade forex, even if you flip an account, maybe you turned it from $100 to $5,000, can you do it 100 times? Can you do it 50 times consistently? If you can do it, which I can tell you for free that you can't. It's almost impossible to do that. But if you can, then you are the top of the food chain. You are part of the 10% of the. You are part of the 1% of the 1% of the 1%. You can never be poor. You would be rich, for real. You'll be rich. By tomorrow, I'm going to start trading live, and one of the things you'll be getting from me, and I can assure you of that, is I'll try as much as possible to walk you through the thought processes behind my trades and to open your eyes to the reality of trading. Because maybe your intention is to be a trader. I want to trade. I want to be a forex trader. Oh, fine. You want to be a forex trader. You want to be a binary option trader, a crypto trader. But the real question is, do you have what it takes to be a trader? Can you manage your emotions if a trade is going against you? Can you? Do you have the discipline to allow your setup form? Do you have that discipline for you to wait? Allow your entry criteria to form. All the stars must align before you enter that trade. Because trading really is 90% patience, then maybe 10% execution. Anybody can execute a trade. Even a newborn baby can execute a trade. It's the easiest thing to do, to press the button. Oh, buy. Okay, I just come here. I buy this. Oh, then you get that adrenaline rush if your trade is going into profit, right? You'll be so happy. Oh my God, I just made $10. I just made $50. I know, I get it. But I can tell you that in no distant time, you see that adrenaline rush will disappear once the losses start coming in. You will start lamenting. You start second guessing yourself that who brought me into this place in the first place? Who introduced me to trading in the first place? But I think one of the greatest thing that has kept me going in this trading world is, okay, I hear you clearly. 90% of the people that trade the market don't win, right? Yeah, then it means that 10% of the people that trade win, correct? I can be part of the 10%. That's the mindset. Okay, you said 90% don't win. I agree. It's fine. It's fine. 90% don't win. But hey, 10% win. Okay, I can be part of the 10%. I can be part of the 10%. You know. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. Okay. And by the way, I'll be keeping it nice, simple, very transparent. So I go to my trading profile, right? See, this is the all-time trade. All the trades I've taken on this account, 550. 550 trades. And I'm only profitable 53% of the time, meaning my win rate is just 53%. But as I'll be teaching you starting from tomorrow, as I'll be teaching you, right? For you to make money trading binary option, you need just using my strategy, my money management discipline. You need to be right just 20% of the time. Meaning you need to be right 2 out of 10 trades. However, there is a caveat. You must not be wrong 9 consecutive times. You must never be wrong 9 consecutive times. So in 550, this 550 trades, the maximum I've been wrong, like I'm trading and I'm losing trades, I'm winning trades, I'm losing trades. The maximum streak of losses I've recorded is 6. And I think it was once, or maybe once. I think it was just once, right? But as long as I don't have 9 consecutive losing trades, one, then number 2, I am not over leveraging. I have my money management principle I adopt. 2, then number 3, I am right 50% of I need to be even right just 30% or 20% of the time. I will still make money. And since I've started this account, I have not lost money in a day. I could have losing trades. As you can see, profitable trade is 53%. That means my losing trade is 47%. But at the end of the day, I still make money. And let me show you. Let's say this is yesterday, right? I made $45 yesterday. Last 7 days, I'm on 496. You can, and by the way, I'm doing this thing real time, so it's not like I'm falsifying anything here. I can select any random dates. It doesn't really matter. 15, 16, and apply. Anything I select is money. This 15. Okay, sorry. Um, I'm not seeing apply here. I think I should be seeing apply. I can't see apply. Can't see apply. I would have loved to show you. But there's no day I don't make money. And there's no day I don't make money. And you always make the money in I always use 5 minutes expiration, meaning my trade always run for just 5 minutes. Most people that do this kind of trading, they only they mostly do 1 minute expiration, meaning in 1 minute their trade have expired. But me, I like to do 5 minutes because it gives me room to analyze the markets, can go through all the currency pairs, okay, see what is happening, draw my charts, you know, make my trading decision in 5 minutes. So it's been going so well, it's been going so fine. So to get started, right, please, I am not a signal provider. I am not a financial expert and advisor. I don't manage money. I don't do all those things. I would educate you, try as much as possible to teach you how you can also make money trading binary option, right? And that is why I'll be doing live every day, almost every day, 5 days in a week. I think 5 days in a week is good, right? So what I expect of you is for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. One, number two, make sure you join my Telegram channel. Go to the description of this video. You would see my Telegram channel. Join my Telegram channel. Then register with the broker that you are seeing in the description of this video. It's called Pocket Option. Once you register, just start practicing with me, right? Although me, I'm not practicing on a demo account, but you can start with a demo account with as much as $50,000 demo balance. Then I'll be explaining gradually. I will be breaking it down, the psychology part, the technical analysis part, the money management part. I'll be breaking everything into bits so that you can start doing it yourself. You can start making money for yourself, right? So that's it. I think it's a fair deal. I think it's a good deal.
Okay.
Right. So that is how we are going to run starting from tomorrow. Starting from tomorrow. Right. So I'll be trading 5 a.m. or let's say 5:30 a.m. daily, and by 9 p.m. or maybe 8 o'clock, 8:30 p.m. Nigerian time. Take our trades, we move on. I think I will stop the live here. I think we've set the ground running. By tomorrow, would activate properly. All right. All right, guys. So this is where I draw the curtain. Bye.